Hi everyone. We will going to discuss about pointer to structure. So it's very important topic actually. Now we will going to discuss how this pointer will going to point to structure. That is the reason why we will call this one as pointer to structure. So we know the definition of pointer. Please go through my previous video so that you can able to understand the pointer. Now same example I will going to take. So I will going to create a structure. First you write the libraries. After that create a structure here. We know that how to create a structure. So that is the reason why struct again employee, you take employee struct employee struct employee again open the brace. Let me make this one like this. I think it's good. Now I said employee, every employee will going to have ID, so that's why we're going to write employee ID. So before that we have to give the type, so that's why I will say int employee ID, and we have an employee name, so that's why character employee name. I will want to write one employee name, employee name, employee name, or directly I will say that just a name. Again, we will want to have every employee will want to get the salary. That's why we will want to write it employee salary as well. So that is float value, float salary. Just I will say salary. That is enough. Now I will want to close this structure with the semicolon. This is very, very important. Don't forget this things. Okay, so this is the data type user defined data type. Okay, now we can see. Now what we're going to do, we're going to have a main function. And this main function, what I will going to write, create the body for the main function. Here I will say every employee will going to have an employee. That is okay. And we say that it is a pointer to structure. So we're going to create a structure first. Struct employee. So every in the company there will be any so many employees. Just I will going to take one employee, that is called it as E here. And now what I will going to do, this is a data type. We know that this is a data type and this is a variable. We know this one. Now what I will going to do, I will going to create a pointer for this particular employee. Okay, so how to create? Always when you are creating any pointer when it is pointing to another variable, it must have a same type. Nothing but whatever the type you are going to point, that should be same type. So that's why I will going to create a type that is struct type. Struct employee. So that is star ptr like this. This is our pointer. Just go through this one. Okay, now we know that what is the definition of now the pointer. Basically, it says that when you see the definition, it says that very clearly it will going to hold the address of another variable. That is what exactly we know. So that is the reason why what I will want to do. PTR is a variable, struct type variable, struct employee type variable. This is basically data type. I told you in many videos. So PTR, we need an address. That is the reason why I will want to give the address. That is address of E. So this is important. So this one is very, very important. Okay, I given the address. What address? Struct employee variable address. I given to struct employee the to pointer. Okay, to the pointer. So this is how we're going to give it. So it's very, very important one. Now what are we going to do? How to access this one and how to print this one. Okay, how to access and how to print it. Again, how to initialize the value. You can how to initialize the value. Before that, what we will want to do, we will want to see something. So how to access this one, how to take the inputs, all those things. First, what I will want to do, I will say printf, everyone observe here, printf. I will want to write the shortcut. Please observe. Here I will want to say first one. I will say enter the employee details. Okay. Enter employee details. Employee details. Okay. This is what exactly I will do. Now what I will want to do, I will going to use something like scanf. I will going to write a shortcut here. Please understand. Don't feel bad. I am writing a shortcut. Just take that. Okay, fine, no problem. Scanf. I will want to say here percentage D. Okay. After that percentage S. After that percentage F. So these are the type. These are the access specifiers. So, yeah, and percentage D for employee ID and name for percentages and percentage F here. So now I will going to access each and every thing over here. So basically what you will going to do, you put this one in the for loop so that we can able to do it. But what I will want to do here, I will want to make it very simple. So every time you have to call these things. Okay, every time you have to call these things. That is the reason why. So what I will do, I will make it individual one. Okay. So but it is little bit lengthy, but please, it's okay, no problem. Hence we are studying, nothing will want to happen. So that's fine. So here enter the employee details so that what I will want to do. First one, okay. Printf. I will want to say enter employee number. First one. Enter employee number. Okay. Here scanf. I'm writing shortcut. Please don't feel bad. Percentage D here. Percentage D. Percentage D here. To access, what we have to do, address of PTR. To take the input, we are using some different operator that is called as arrow operator. This operator we have to use an employee number. So like this we can able to access. So this is very simple. Like this, you have to write for name, all those things. Just I will going to write here. I will going to write for everything. Printf. Enter employee name. Again here scanf. I'm writing shortcut. Please adjust percentage yes. Here PTR. So I will going to write here PTR address of PTR name. Okay, name. Again one more, same thing like only. Little bit I will going to move little bit up here so that I can have some space here. So here you can see. So printf here. Enter employee salary. So here I will going to say scan percentage F PTR arrow operator salary. So this is how you will going to take the input each and every employee one by one you will going to take it. Finally, what we will going to do, we will going to print all the details. So that is the reason why I will going to move little bit left. Yeah, I will going to move it little bit left. Okay, so that we can write a lot of space. We will going to get so that we can write. Now here. Here we got a space here. Now we got the employee details, something whatever you wanted, you can able to give it. And I will show you the memory, how it will going to allocate all those things. I will going to show you, don't worry. Now finally we will going to print this one. What is that? So we will going to printf. The details are employee details are employee details are like this. Okay, next line. Go to the next line and print all the details. Now what I will do, printf, I will going to use the shortcut. Don't feel bad, I'm sorry for that. Okay, I'm going to use the shortcut. First one, okay, %d here, comma, employee d, a number, that is basically employee number. So what I will going to do, ptr arrow. Okay, so employee number first I will going to print. After that, okay, after that, now, so please make it next line here if possible. Next line, again printf, next line, percentage yes, ptr name. Okay, ptr name. We'll go to say this one. Again one more, printf, next line, percentage yeah, right, sorry, percentage yeah, ptr salary. Okay, then return 0, close this. Okay, that's it, so your function is done. So from here to here, again this is from here to here. Now please see here, we have an employee. Okay, struct employee type. This is the data type. You can see this is the data type. Please observe everyone now. So when this is a data type, now all the memory location is a variable for this particular structure type. So you can able to see the memory looks like this. Please observe here. Memory looks like this. So how for this employee ID, one location. Again for name, one other location. Okay. Now, so this will going to have an address. Okay, this will going to have address, something like 1000. You think like that. Again, this is basically employee ID. I will say this employee ID, emp ID. Again, name. I will say name here. Again, I will going to say salary here. Okay. So if you want it, I made it salary. You can make it like this, salary. Okay. Here also you can. So basically same variable. So that is the reason why I'm writing that one. Okay. Now we can able to say 1000. Now we have a pointer, struct pointer. What type of pointer it is? Structure employee type of pointer. So that is the reason why for pointer also it will want to create a memory. So ptr like this. It will want to create a memory like this. Correct. And here you will going to have an address of another variable. Basically address of the is a memory here. So is address is, so when you see printf, when you say example, for example, printf e, so what it will going to print, it will going to print, okay, these basically by default value it will going to print these values. If there is no value, it will going to print the garbage value. Later I will going to discuss this one. Again printf now address of v, what it will going to print, it will going to print the value that is 1000. This one you should be very careful these things. Now one more important thing we need to understand, this pointer it will going to what's the address of another variable. Basically this is the address of e, so that's why we're going to store here. Hence because we implemented here ptr is equal to address of e, that is what exactly I'm getting. Every pointer variable will going to have an address, that's why it is having 2000. Now this pointer is pointing, okay, basically I told you star ptr nothing but what, this pointer, okay, pointing to this particular address. If you go to address, there are 3 locations are there. How to access this one? That is what exactly ptr dot emp id, then you will going to get this one like this. Basically you can able to see star ptr dot emp id. When you do this one, basically whatever the value is there, suppose I will want to take employee number 1, again name is Raju, okay, again salary is 20k, like that I will going to take it. Now see here, star ptr dot employee id, nothing but what you will want to get in. So star ptr is nothing but it is holding the address 1000. Okay, when I do this one star nothing but, so it will ask for the value, what is the value over here. Okay, so like that. So in this 1000 what is the value is there. Okay, it will go to the year, again it will want to see the value. So that is the reason I, so value of that particular variable. So you can able to see this one, instead of writing all this thing dot, okay, star ptr dot employee id, basically we will going to write like this. What is that? So ptr arrow operator employee id, like this. So that is the reason why we will want to write in this way, star ptr employee id. So instead of writing like this, you can able to say instead of writing like this, we can write in this way. Okay, star, this is star actually complete. This is the one important thing we need to understand. It's a very important concept. This is completely very important concept. Okay, yeah, let me erase these things are not required actually. What I said here, star ptr. Okay, you can see this one star ptr. When you see this one star ptr, wait a minute please. Okay. Okay, when you see this one star ptr, it indicates star ptr having the address. In that address, when you find the value, you need a variable. So that's what ptr dot star ptr dot employee id, nothing but you will want to get the value 1. So we know this one. So that is the reason why you can able to see here star ptr. Here you can see ptr arrow name. So instead of writing this one, what we will going to say ptr, okay, arrow emp employee id, like this we can able to write. It indicates very clearly, what here arrow means. It is a pointer, it says that it's a pointer. Okay, it says it's a pointer. Okay, I think everybody understood this one. So this pointer ptr points to this particular employee id. So that is the reason why you will going to get like this. So and you will going to store in this way. Again, you know very clearly it will going to take 2 bytes. Basically it will going to take 2 bytes. Okay, it will take 2 bytes. It will take again character, I'm sorry, I forgotten 20 semicolon. Okay, if you want it I will write it properly. By name, that is 20. I forgotten, I'm sorry for that. So like this it will going to point. So that is the reason why this is the memory representation of this particular pointer to structure. So this pointer will going to point to this particular structure having certain bytes of memory. Okay, so how many bytes we can able to see? This will going to take 2 bytes. I will going to write here. This will going to take 2 bytes. This will take 2 bytes. Again, this will take again 20 bytes of memory. Again, it will going to take another 4 bytes of memory. Totally 26 bytes of memory it will going to consume. 26 bytes. Okay, this is the pointer to structure. So if you want to understand more about this one, you can able to go to pointer. Okay, and you can able to watch my videos. So basically pointer will going to hold the address of another variable, something like you can click x is equal to 10, having a type is integer. Okay, now what I will going to do, I will going to create one pointer, something like y. Okay, y is either you take it integer star y, that is equal to address of x, like this. So this y is going to point to this particular value. So this is actually, you can able to see my videos. So this is all about pointer to structure. So please share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Please share and subscribe.